Hello student, welcome back to my channel, and today's in this series we will discuss about constructor. Okay, which is very important as per your examination. So listen carefully. A constructor is a special method which name is same as its class name, and it is automatically initialized when object will be created. Okay, so constructor is used to initialize an object whenever an object is created. A constructor function is different from all other non-static member function in a class because it is used to initialize when variable of whatever instance being created. Have a look of syntax rules of writing a constructor. When we will write constructor, then some rules are important. Okay, so we will look one by one. The rules: a constructor name must be the same of its class name, as I mentioned in the above. It is declared with no return type. In a general function, we are using a void return type or int return type before the function name, but in the case of constructor we will not use any type of return. Okay, it next is it can't be declared const or volatile, but a constructor can be invoked for a const and volatile object. Okay, I will repeat: a constructor can't be declared as constant or volatile. Okay, but a constructor can be invoked. Okay, it will be access for const, it means constant, and volatile object. Next is it may not be static. When we declare a constructor, we will always remember that a constructor can't be static. We will use a static keyword. A static is a keyword and it will be used before member variable and member function. Okay, but when we declare constructor, always remember before it never be used const, static, volatile. Okay, constructor, next one is constructor not be a virtual. Okay, it should constructor should have public or protected access within the class, and only in rare circumstances it should be declared as private. Okay, next have a look a syntax of constructor. First we will write constructor name. Okay, and always remember constructor name is same as of its class. So here I write the syntax of constructor. BCA is a class, and private is access specifier in which a statement will be written, and BCA, it is a function which is declared under public access specifier. Okay, here is BCA is a function, and it is a constructor, also called, and it is same as its class name. So you look the syntax of constructor, and next we look a example based on constructor. Here I take the example, class name is a student, and class name is student, and sorry, here is a mistake, it should be char. Name is char type, and roll number of a student, address, and in a public section here is a student, which is constructor, and get code and show code, and these all function is declared, it is not defined. In the next video I will show the remains in detail.